Step 1. Open the box, remove the product, and lay out all components. Open the front hood. Step 2. Following the video, assemble the components. Pass through the original vehicle's hole and secure them by tightening. Step 3. Remove the original vehicle screw. Attach the bracket to the original screws and reinstall the assembly. Step 4. Confirm the correct orientation of the hood strut. Attach one end of the strut to the lower bracket and the other end to the previously installed screw. Repeat the same process to install the opposite hood strut.